Hi everybody, Jessica here. Today I'm gonna take you guys through an awesome upper body and ab workout. It's gonna really give you that tone, sexy, firm look that you're looking for. We're going to start off with push-ups. You can do them on your toes, regular push-ups. If not, you can always go on your knees and do them that way. We're gonna start off with 25. If you wanna start on your toes, finish them up kneeling, that's fine too. So let's get into position. We're going to go for 25. So if you're doing these, keep your back nice and straight. Make sure you're breathing. That's 10. I have 15 more. Now, if you want to finish up on your knees, you can. Just make sure you bring those glutes down and keep your back straight. We have 5 more. All right, you should really feel that upper body and that chest warming up. So next, we're going to do 30 dumbbell rows. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this dumbbell we have right here. If you don't have a dumbbell, you can always use a really heavy water bottle. That can work as well. All right, so you can place one leg, you can put it on your couch, on a chair, whatever works. So we're gonna go ahead and grab it. Back straight, head up. And you really want to squeeze your back once you bring it up. Make sure you get that good stretch when you come down. Squeeze as you come up. $15, halfway there, 15 more. $10. All right, now we're going to go ahead and switch sides. Okay, so opposite, other leg up, other arm, same thing. So keep that back straight, make sure it doesn't curve. And keep in mind to squeeze your back at the top. This is a back exercise. $15, halfway. $4. And that's 1. Catch your breath, take a sip of water if you have to. We're gonna keep going. All right, this next one is a core exercise. We're gonna get on the floor, seated. We're gonna go ahead and do flutter kicks. So let's do anywhere from 30 to 40 flutter kicks. Okay, so we're gonna go right here, legs straight. Really engage the core, keep it nice and tight. So that was 40. Next we have 20 plank to tricep. So we're gonna go a plank position. So we're gonna go from plank to tricep, okay? Let's do a total of 20. Okay, so straight, keep that back straight. We're gonna go on your forearms and back up. Okay, whew. Down. Drink a sip of water. So we have another core exercise now. Catch your breath. Relax. Now we're going to do penguins, what I like to call penguins. So let's go ahead and go flat on the floor. Legs up, knees to the roof, hands by your side, and we're gonna go as if we're touching our ankles, okay? From side to side. Keep that core tight, and you should really feel these on your obliques. Okay, and rest. Okay, the next one is a glute workout. We're gonna stay on the floor. Catch your breath first, take a sip of water. Now, for these glute kickbacks, we're gonna go ahead and get into the plank position one more time, but we're gonna kick up with our leg, and we're going to alternate sides, really focus on the glute. Right here. Take your time with it. Squeeze at the top. Ten more. Awesome. Hope you guys are doing this with me. Relax, so that was that. Okay, let me drink a little bit of water. So remember the dumbbell rows that we did before? We're gonna do them again now. This time, we're going to do them standing, not leaning against anything. So we started with this side. So no leaning this time. Same thing, really focus on the back muscles. Keep them nice and tight as you come up, and keep that back straight. No curving over. Right here. Squeeze, true. Do it with me. You always want to keep your core tight doing these as well, just so you don't get that curved look on your back, because then you might hurt your lower back. So keep that back nice and straight, squeeze that core. 1. Perfect. Switch. Remember, it's 30. So again, no standing against something, no kneeling on anything. These standing. Switch. Let's go. 30. Okay, we're halfway there. 15 more. Finish with me. Ten. Get that nice stretch. Squeeze. Rest, drink some water, wipe the sweat off. We're gonna go on to the last exercise. We're gonna go back to push-ups. So you really wanna catch your breath before getting back into those push-ups. I really hope you guys are doing this with me. And we're going to finish off with push-ups again. It's 25, just as we started. Finish strong. As I said, you can do them on your toes. When you get tired out, you can go onto your knees, or you can simply start on your knees if you feel comfortable that way. As long as you get those push-ups in. Okay, do as many as you can on your toes if so. That was 10. I'm gonna finish up on my knees. Remember, glutes down. You wanna come all the way down. We have 10 more. Let's go. Last 4. Awesome. So I hope you guys did this entire workout with me. If you did, you should really be feeling your upper body. We threw some ab workouts in there, a little bit of glutes as well. So if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys next time.